Hello dear students, welcome back. We'll continue with the back exercise of chapter number 2, Elephant Feast. We all have done the reading and I hope you all have done a good practice of the reading as well. Alright, so today I have discussed the word meanings also. You're supposed to learn, okay, the word meanings. So we'll begin from here about the passage back exercise of chapter 2. Okay, the first is understand and answer, and the first heading is given as fill in the blanks to complete the statements. These statements are from the book itself, from the story itself, and answers are also there in the story, within the story. So if you have fully understood the story, you'll able to answer easily. So first, grandpa worked as a dash. Grandpa क्या काम करते थे? He worked as a forest officer. B. Bangdobi is located in Siliguri, which is at the dash. Bangdobi जो place है सिलीगुड़ी में वो कहाँ पे थी? Which is at the foothills of the Himalayas. Okay. Third, the name Dwas means dash. क्या मतलब था इसका? Door to the mountains. जहाँ से mountains का दरवाज़ा कह सकते हैं हम. We were on page number 13. Now turn your pages and see. Next one. The two men hid themselves in dash and watched dash. क्या हुआ था? Two men were there ना when the elephants were moving towards the granary, the herd of the elephant, है ना? तो the two men hid themselves कहाँ पे छिपे थे? In the leafy branches of the banyan tree and watched the elephants. और वहाँ से वो elephants को देख रहे थे. E. The elephants attacked dash in a very organized manner. The elephants attacked the granary in a very organized manner. In a proper way, they attacked on the granary to eat the food. F. Dash kept watch at a distance while the other dash. कौन ध्यान रख रहा था? Sentinel was there ना, guard. He kept watching while the other had their food. Okay. After that, these are the question answers, second and third part. So move to the word by word. Here occupations are given. You are aware what are occupations? जो हम काम करते हैं. Like a teacher. Teaching. Teacher क्या करती है? Teaches ना. Teaching is the occupations. So there are so many occupations जो सभी लोग अलग अलग करते हैं. Few examples are given. A sentinel keeps guard. है ना? Sentinel किसको बोलते हैं जो guard करता है? A merchant buys and sells goods. Merchant कौन होता है? व्यापारी है ना? वो things को buy करता है और sell करता है. Like shopkeepers भी होते हैं ना, they work on the shops. Doctors, they treat the patient. So here in the next paragraph, few occupations are given. We have to fill in the blanks, complete with these words. Stationer क्या होता है बताइए? First of all, a person who sells the books, स्टेशनरी से रिलेटेड चीज़ें जो बेचता है, ठीक है, पेन पेंसिल्स एक्सेट्रा. फॉरेस्ट ऑफिसर हु वर्क्स इन अ फॉरेस्ट. देन क्यूरेटर क्या होता है आपको पता है? हु इज़ इन चार्ज ऑफ अ म्यूजियम. म्यूजियम पता है ना सबको? ही इज़ द इन चार्ज ऑफ दैट. कन्फेक्शनर द हु वर्क्स ऑन द स्वीट शॉप, स्वीट्स एंड सॉरी पेस्ट्री, जो बेकरी की शॉप्स होती हैं वहाँ पे जो काम करता है, ठीक है. एस्ट्रोनॉमर क्या कौन होते हैं? एस्ट्रोनॉमर्स दोज हु स्टडी द stars. Okay, then we have chauffeur क्या होते हैं? You're aware? Sometimes we have to hire some taxi etc to go somewhere. So those who drive those cars and taxis, they are known as chauffeurs. Okay, so look at the fill-ups. First one, and dash studies star. Stars की study कौन करता है? Astronomer. A dash sells sweets and pastries. Confectioner. ठीक है. Then a dash is in charge of a museum. मैंने बताया था ना अभी कौन होता है? Curator. Dash drives a car. Chauffeur drives a car. Dash sells paper, pencils and other writing material. कौन करता है sell? Stationer. ठीक है. A dash is in charge of forest. कौन in charge होता है forest का? Forest officer. Then the next heading is compound nouns. Now what is the meaning of compound nouns? When two different words are given and we will match those words to create a new meaningful word. Okay, this sort of words are called compound words. Like here, see, look at the example. I played in a playground. Here, play and ground. Two separate words are there, na? So if we combine, it becomes a new word, playground. I did my homework. Here, home and work. Two different words are there, and a homework is also a new word. Okay. So when we combine the two different words and a new word is framed, that is called compound noun. So look at this. Here, two columns are given again, A and B. Sun. Sun का मैच किसके साथ कर सकते हैं? A new word will be framed, sunshine. Sun एक अलग वर्ड है, सूरज, शाइन चमकना, सनशाइन बन गया. देन सेकेंड इज रेन, बारिश, बो, ठीक है, रेनबो न्यू वर्ड बन गया. वुड, कटर. कैंडल, कैंडल से मैच कर सकते हैं, कैंडल लाइट. एंड देन सूट, केस. ओके. Then the next is, we are here on page number 17, and the first concept of grammar guide. We are going to begin with the grammar guide. Again, I am repeating, all the headings under grammar guide will come in your English language exam. Okay. So the first here is collective nouns. Do you remember when we did the reading of this chapter, there a word was coming here and again, herd. What was it mean? What it meant actually? Group of elephants, na? So this sort of words which represents basically a collection, these are called the collective nouns. Okay, बहुत सारे होते हैं. Like we'll see here, the list is given. So what are the collective nouns? The words which represents a collection. Okay, जैसे army है. Army means क्या होता है? Many soldiers. Okay, तो देखो मैं आपको बताती हूँ. Fleet, gang, band, string, regiment. Regiment is the word used for army. Pack, boat, bouquet, bowl, team. Now we'll fill these all collective nouns further in this exercise. A dash of soldiers, regiment of soldiers. Okay. Then a dash of thieves, gang of thieves. Okay. Dash of musicians, बैंड ऑफ म्यूजिशियंस. ये बोलते हैं ना, सिंगर्स होते हैं, बैंड ही कहते हैं ना उनके कलेक्शन को. डैश ऑफ शिप्स, फ्लीट ऑफ शिप्स. टर्न योर पेजेस. ई पार्ट, अ डैश ऑफ कार्ड्स, पैक ऑफ कार्ड्स. डैश ऑफ डायरेक्टर्स, बोर्ड ऑफ डायरेक्टर्स. अ डैश ऑफ प्लेयर्स, टीम ऑफ प्लेयर्स. डैश ऑफ राइस, बाउल ऑफ राइस. डैश ऑफ पर्ल्स, स्ट्रिंग ऑफ पर्ल्स. J, a dash of flowers, bouquet of flowers. Alright, so we'll complete till this. I'll send you the images also. I'll solve this exercise and we'll send you the lesson plans through Snapwork. So you look at the explanation first, whatever I have explained, and after that use a pencil to fill these exercises on your book. Alright, and keep learning side by side. Take care. Bye bye.